Today I'm going to be making a science fiction cyberpunk inspired bedroom. I wanted it to be cozy, but almost like you live in a high-rise apartment and you look out over the city. So I started by making the walls and a little section for the window. I used some corrugated paper to add some texture to the walls. With all the bits assembled, I started piecing them together to the walls to see where I could make some interesting shapes. I added some wires and elastic ties and bits and pieces of paper straws to make little couplings. I also found these plastic scrunchies, which work really well. I cut up some plastic packaging to make a little shelf in one of the walls. And then I also made a lamp out of half of a curling roll? Curler? Hair curler? Hair curler. So, to review, we have the floor, wall 1, wall 2, and a window. This plastic packaging is what press-on nails come in, and they're actually really cool little capsules that you can cut out. I also use foam core to make a little bed that will go in front of the window. I like using silver nail polish to add some metallic details, and I use that to add some highlights on the corrugated paper. The bedding is actually left over from some bedding that my mom made me for my toys when I was a kid, and I still have a big box of all those little miniatures, so I dipped into that for this build as well. Beads and leftover floral stems made potted plants to go on the shelf. Initially, I was going to put an image of a city inside the window, so the plastic part, but then I decided that it just didn't look right and I couldn't get the colors right, and I wanted something that was a little more dynamic, so I decided to make an exterior case for the room so that I could mount my phone in the back, and then you can have any backdrop you want. I added a brick texture to the outside of this little case and then a shelf inside for the phone to sit on. Then the next part was painting and downloading a file that had a futuristic cityscape. Thank you everyone for watching. I appreciate your patience with my uploading schedule. I've been sick a few times over the last few months and life has been hectic as always, but it always feels nice to get back into the workshop and build something new. Let me know what you thought in the comments, and if you haven't already, make sure that you like and subscribe for more builds like this.